Bantu wema kubandani baby says edlala ngedwa ebafethu akuyona impilo lephilwayo la akuyona impilo le yabo le impilo leyo kwenza into ongayifuni ukuze uthole imali akuyona impilo leyo bafethu ngiyakutshela mina le system indlela edesignwe ngayo ayikufavor xobo yabona abantu badiniwe abantu la kudla kuyabiza petrol uyabiza ama services ayabiza ama policy insurance kuningi nje yet nalomholo wabo mncane and futhi nalento abayenza abayithandi ucabanga ukuthi impilo leyo ayona impilo leyo mina lodwa ke la mengilishoyo ungayikhohlwa ipassion yakho ungayikhohlwa awuzele mfethu uzogqilazwa kanje la emhlabeni inkinga ukuthi unaka zonke izinto lezi ukhohlwa ukuyinaka wena mfethu awuyibuza ukuthi yini ongakwazi ukuyenza ngishabe kuthiwa akakakunikeza imali oyithandayo ukuyenza sibuze lo mbuzo yini ongakwazi ukuyenza ngisho ngabe kuthiwa ayikazi ukukukhokhela for the mere fact ukuthi uyayithanda but you can do it and when ufocus ekutheni ube better kuyona rather than ukuthi uthole imali first ngalesikhathi ubingelelo changes akhasho ukuthi kungenzeka noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ucabanga ukuthi iyona possibilities are infinite in the universe your own consciousness is your own limitation kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli uyabona mina la ku social media angangazelanga imali la ku social media angikhuluma nje and imali yabonakala ukuthi khona la ku social media but still that's not a motivation yabo that's not a motivation I never even knew about that ukuthi kukhona into ezikanjalo but what I was passionate about is to speak life ebantwini angine passion ngalokho futhi ke namanje lento la social media ayikhokhi kakhulu uma ngabe kuukuthi mhlambe usticke kwi-passion ifuna laba bazochase ke behamba ke bechase well ke enough about that asizeni kuwena wena ufana nami bakhona kodwa abanye abafana nami mina umsebenzi wami ukukhuluma mina yabo umsebenzi wami ukukhuluma mina akhona amanye ama-passion enginawo engisebenzayo futhi kuwona engiwathandayo futhi ngoba mfethu akusiyona impilo leyo ukuthi wenza into ongayithandi njalo nje akusiyona impilo leyo mfethu as a result kusho ukuthi ifrequency yakho vele une negative frequency vele empilweni yakho and leyo nto iyona kanye enza ukuthi vele nale mali echasewayo ingaficwa ngobani vele imali spiritual iyasebenza ngokwe frequency detective frequency ekwena uma ungameshi nayo vele ngeke uzube nayo based on ukuthini vele wenza into ongayithandi and uhlala isikhathi esiningi emsebenzini lo wenzayo thola ukuthi nawo khona hayi ukuthi ipassion yakho and ifrequency yakho ke lapho ke ayimatch ne high vibrational life yabo mancane amathuba ukuthi umuntu owenza umsebenzi angawuthandi abe successful mancane lawo mathuba lawo elami lithi ungakhohlwa ipassion yakho filterisha umsindo ngoba into eyenzekalayo umsindo mfethu uyaphazamisana umsindo uyaphazamisana uvele uzibone wena ugibele ufuthu ubone sengathi abanye bagibele amajagwa wena ugibele ufuthu ngenxa yokuthini wena ufocusa kwabanye abantu ukuthi ipace eimpilo zabo ihamba kanjani ukhohlwa nokufocusa kokwakho asifani bafethu sabantu as a result ma uyichaser wena uyichaser yazi ukuthi uthi la kade usuka khona kusale zikhiphe kube mnandi uthi la ufika khona kuvele kuphela umcimbi kangaka nje abantu behamba bongena amabhanoyi athi mengena nje lifeli phahlazeke akungqwamba imali ngoba uyachaser uhambe chase akafocus kwi-passion upassionate ngani mfethu hlala phansi ucheck upassionate ngani usticke kuma skills ngcono didwa yiwona ama skills akho ukuthi awazi ukuthi isona siphi ozoqala ngazo bese kodwa uyabuka ukuthi okay nasi okulula ukusenza yabo ngoba mfethu i-universe ikukhokhela ngokuba genuine and authentic mfethu. Ikukhokhela ngalokho i-universe. I-universe ikukhokhela ngoba uwena, hayi ngokuba yi-fake. Yini owazi ukuyenza? Khombisa abantu la. Sekukhona ngisho social media manje, sekukhona izinto eziningi manje la emnyango. Khombisa abantu yini owazi ukuyenza. Yini owazi ukuyenza ngakini? Yini owazi ukuyenza la? Yini owazi ukuyenza mfethu? Bheka ipassion yakho. Musu ukugijimela izinto zabanye abantu. Musu ukugijimela ukuthi abanye abantu ngazi ukuthi bona bagijima kakhulu. Awazi ukuthi labantu labo oyiqhathanisa nabo nje kuhambani ngabo, what's cooking. Awazi wena. Into yazi kangcono wena uwena. Abanye obazi nanokuthi bajabulini ngezinto abanazo. Focus wena mfethu. Ayikho mfethu into emnandi njengokuthi mfethu ukhokhelwe ukuthi wenza into oyithandayo. That mfethu a heaven on earth mfethu. Uthi ngiyambongela umuntu onjalo mfethu, yezwa. Ngiyambongela mfethu lo muntu loyo. Lo muntu mfethu into ayithandayo. That is why mfethu uthola abanye abantu beshayela iservice out of this world mfethu ngamanani aphansi, affordable prices, ekushayela iservice, showcase we-service ngoba ustike kwi-service ngoba lento ayithandayo mfethu. Lento ayenzayo uyayithanda mfethu, yes, uyayithanda lento ayenzayo. Based yena ifocus yakhe itsekuthenini akabe better and better and better, and by the time eba better i-value iyanyuka obviously. Vele i-demand mayinyuka i-price iyanyuka obviously. Ufocusa kwi-process, kodwa abantu abaningi i-focus yabo isemalini, ayikho kwi-process. Stick with the process and trust the process. Not unless your process is work vele. Your process is very bad, it's terrible. It's not a good process. It's not going to lead you anywhere. Then you can never ever trust this process. Yabo ungathemba ukuthi lento yenzayo iyokithela ithelo, ngeke uzustick naleyo process leyo ngoba uyazi vele ukuthi it's a matter of time ukuthi vele nje i-collapse, ayikho indaba yayo. But if you know ukuthi I'm in the correct path, I trust the process, you know it's just a matter of time. I'm gonna reap a lot. Stick with the process. Kusho okokuqala la base ngisummarize. Thola passion yakho. Kusho iba sendleleni right. Sisho kanjalo iba sendleleni right. Thola passion yakho. It's all about love and passion. Okay? That is the first step. 2, stick with the process of becoming better and better and better. Forget about money. Even you guys, angithi siyazi vele ukuthi lento leyo yokutrade uba i-trader, yabo trade FX noma utrader, but stick with the process nakhona lapho of becoming a better. Ngoba if kuukuthi uza la kwi-trading uze nomqondo ukuthi vele uzofuna imali and you don't stick with the process and learning, knowing yourself better because it reflects you, vele nakhona lapho lo freedom uthi uyayaka uzoblow and blow and blow and blow, yabo. Whatever thing you are doing, if you focus ekuthenini wena ufuna imali, that is a very terrible mindset. That's a very terrible, ngoba by the time you don't get that money, your frequency changes. And by the time that frequency changes, your reality changes too. It's just follow suit. Ayona impilo le bafethu. Kuhlafunwa njengechepisi. Nomuntu wasebenza iminyaka ewu40 kodwa mephuma mfethu akajabulile, usephumela nje ukuthi useyoshona ngenxa nalo umsebenzi akade wenza vele kwi-health bumbeka injobhadi vele kwi-health yakhe. Senikeza nje amakinata amancane akwazi ngisho ukuthenga imoto e-serious cash. Ubehlafuna lo muntu bengasiniki iphiwo zakhe lo muntu lo, bebemhlafuna nje. Le system mfethu i-giant machine ecruel ngalendlela mfethu. Uma ungawazanga ukuzicabangela, kuzoba nzima kakhulu. Shut down umsindo le. Mina yazi ukuthi mina ngazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. Yezwa nje abanye bangibuza ngento eziphephulu ukuthi khona into eziphephulu, khona abanye abasema-airport. Ngiyezwa nje kumsindo omningi ebafethu. Imovie le lo mhlaba lo. And wena fine tune focus yakho mfethu ukutshele mina. Fine tune focus yakho. Khona abantu abazi indaba zabantu okudlula bona. Badlula abazazi bona qobo lwabo kodwa indaba zabantu nezinye izinto ezi-outside bazazi A up to Z. Shift focus mfethu, yezwa. Shift focus. Into kumele uyazi izoyazi. Ngoba manje khona abantu abangakwazi ngisho ukusticka ne-process. Abakwazi ngisho ukuba ne-long term planning ngoba bazi ukuthi sizofa anytime soon. Umhlaba uyadunguzela. Thosa azikho zonke lezo zinto lezo. Chaos njengekho. Stick with you mfethu, yazi. Stick to the process.